The building blocks of protein are called amino acids. Amino acids are used for growth and repair, for making hormones and for fighting infection. Good sources of protein include chickpeas, beans and lentils, tofu, soya beans, plant-based milks and nuts. Other sources of protein include seeds such as linseeds and hemp seeds, as well as buckwheat, quinoa and wild rice. It's important that you eat an adequate amount of these foods each meal and have a variety of sources across the day. It is also important to consume plenty of sources of alpha-linoleic acid, the omega-3, from which EPA and DHA are made. Sources include chia seeds, linseeds, walnuts and hemp seeds. You can also cook with rapeseed oil, which is often labelled as vegetable oil. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are used for our nervous system, our brain and our eyes. Some populations, such as pregnant and breastfeeding mothers and young infants, may benefit from a supplement of EPA and DHA. A vegan source of this is microalgae. However, more research into this supplement is needed. Although it is not thought to be essential, you may benefit from it. For more information on protein and omega-3 and 6s, you can head over to the nutrients section of the Vegan Society website. For personalised guidance, talk to your health professional, or if you have any health concerns, please ask your doctor for a referral to a dietitian.